We can see here there are total 2 pieces of hybrid inverter and 2 groups of lithium batteries under working. One inverter is 35 kilowatts, 3-phase 220 voltage. And here for the lithium battery group, it is total 10 pieces of 10 kilowatts hour lithium battery. And we can see here is the second group with one 35 kilowatt inverter and 100 kilowatts hour lithium battery. 2 groups is working in parallel. And this is the PV combiner box. There are total 8 strings. And this is the AC distribution box. It is also produced by our Nanku. Look, this is the lithium battery. And we can see it is 10 kilowatts hour. Now they are working as the off-grid solar power system. It works very well. Our engineer is doing the AC output from the inverter if it is normal. So let's see. The single phase is 127. Right now it's the 3-phase. It's 220. So everything is okay right now.